Alright, I would like to apologize, guys. I'm having huge technical issues. I switched computers, so hopefully all of that is now in the past. So, starting up again. So, in our scenario, these are the 25 classes that have been taken along the way. You know, assuming that you have the dual credits from the home schools or from high school. So, looking at the fourth college, the fourth certification. Okay, switch to here. Okay, we're looking at 2 classes. Okay, which is this manufacturing principles and design. Okay, we're gonna slap him here. Okay, and then we're gonna go the introduction to SolidWorks. Introduction to SolidWorks. Okay, so now we got 3, so we're very versatile, and now we're sitting at 31 credit hours. So sitting at 31 credit hours, if we try to do that within 2 years, now we're looking at 2 full-time semesters, unless you strategically plan to take a couple of classes, maybe 2 classes in one summer, 2 classes in another summer, and so it's the idea of only going to have a few short breaks, but if we're taking 2 classes, and the things about it is generally these classes will meet for 3 hours a week, okay? So that's what a 3 credit hour class meets, 3 hours a week, and they typically say you would have in a traditional, you're looking at 9 hours outside of class. It's going to depend. It's going to really depend on the class and how proficient you are on it. So that's why you take basically 15 hours a week you meet for class. I'm going to say with some of these, you're looking at possibly meeting for 1 hour a day, 3 days a week, or you're looking at meeting twice a week for an hour and a half. That's what's going to go on with these classes. They're very much, going to be a little bit of lecture, but a lot of it's going to be work. You know, you need to go draw this, you need to go draw that, you need to go estimate this. So that's what's going to go on here. But we're looking at 31 credit hours. We got 4 credits, and now I'm gonna really start jumping to the associate's degree and show you how they kind of line up. So I'm gonna jump this over here, and I'm gonna pull up this guy right here. All right. So, first semester here, this is what they recommend, okay? This is what they recommend. They go Ivy Tech 111, okay? Or Ivy 111, okay? We have that, we should have that, yep, right here, okay? We've done that already. So we have 1 semester. I'm just going to switch to red, saying it's done. English 111, we've taken that. Done. Math 137 is a little bit different. It's your pre-calc. So you're looking at pre-calc, you know, trigonometry with analytic geometry. But generally in the high school, that would be your pre-calc class. So we haven't taken that over here. Okay. Design 101, okay. We've taken that here in high school. Design 101. We are done. Design 113. Okay? That's our AutoCAD class. Okay? Design 220. Okay? Those are done with the technical certificates. Okay? So as we've taken the technical certificates, we've knocked all those out but 1. Okay? Com 101, okay, we could take that or the English class, one or the other. Well, now we have to take 1, okay, fair enough. College algebra, okay, that you're looking at being algebra 2, okay, so that would be your high school algebra 2 class. That is a requirement, okay, so if we go this here, we don't have that. Physics, okay, we don't have that. nowhere in the technical certificate. So this is where it starts to change, is now we're getting our associate's degree, and now we are having to take physics. Okay? So, like I said, this is transfer cluster elective. Alright, so let me, just to change things up, I'm going to make this red. Okay? I'm actually going to switch this back to black, just so I can keep some things straight in my mind. Okay, so we've taken 113. So I'm marking in red everything we've taken. 113, 220, this one's red, this one's red. So, transfer cluster elective. Okay, so if we're going to come in here, we're going to go transfer cluster elective. My assumption is that these are these would be like our architecture classes. So we have 105. Okay, which this 105 we have done. Okay. Oh, I'm going to copy this back over. Copy. Paste. BIM 115. Okay, we're going to make this guy red. Boom. He's taken care of. Oh, wrong one. He's taken care of. Okay, cluster again. We're going to go Arc Design 2, Residential Design. These guys, red. Okay. Okay. I'm going to call these guys two more of these. So because I've already taken these, okay? Because I've already taken these, okay? Because I've already taken these, I don't have to do it again. So now I have Introduction to SolidWorks, okay, and Manufacturing Principles, or Mechanical Graphics, okay? So we can go, we got two of these. I'm going to go this one here. Okay, that one there. Boom. Make him red. Okay, these guys should be red also. Introduction to SolidWorks. Introduction to SolidWorks. So now we've taken mechanical graphics, okay, that we don't need to take it, and since it's dual credit, it aligns in here, okay. Jig and design. So now we're looking at one class, okay, we're looking at 195. Oh. Okay, we're looking at mechanical graphics that we've taken in high school, so we've gotten to take it for free. Doesn't necessarily go to our degree. To our degree, as of right now, this one should be red. Okay. Red. 34. Okay. 34. Okay. Some things I would recommend doing. So instead of taking one of these, let me phrase that. Instead of taking this class, what if we switched to Math 137? Okay? So if we switch this to Math 137, it should apply to both. Should apply to both. And we have it knocked out. Okay? Math 137. So if we're smart about how we take this, and we just go take Math 137 anyways, we're able to knock out that semester as we're going through. Okay? So really what we're looking at is that our final semester we're looking at a college algebra, public speaking, a physics, okay? and a science class. Or then the next one we're looking at maybe jigs, or we already have these, okay? So now we're looking at designed capstone and this one. So we're adding, should be at 31. I don't know how my math messed up. Oh, this guy right here. He shouldn't be there. So we're at 31. Okay, if we play our cards right, 1, 2, 4. Okay. So we're going to go on the classes to take. Classes to take. And I'm going to copy, move him down. We've now added, these guys, okay? And I'm going to extend this back up. Okay, we're going to switch out to 12. So we're at 41 credit hours. Okay, we've added all of these. We're going to add this one, which is, this is going to be 3 to 4. Three to 4. Alright. We're going to add these two. So for 51 credit hours, we've now gotten 4 technical certificates. Okay, 51 credit hours, we now have 4 technical certificates and associates. Okay, so we're not even full-time for 2 years. Okay, total sum, because of what you've been able to do in high school, that guy times 150, you're looking at $7,600 for that. Okay, that's not bad. That's actually really good. Okay, so as you look at what you do, if there is an inkling that you want to do an associate's, but want to just start out with the technical certifications, do it. I would tell you to take your math and English right away, because it will be way easier the sooner you do it. The fresher it is when you're there, the better off you are. So hopefully I've been able to show you that you're able to get this dual credit, okay? And Ivy Tech will accept dual credits from other institutions quicker than other ones will. That we're able to do this quicker, better, and faster, and that you're able to walk out with a very low bill. You got an associate's for little over half of what I got my master's for, and be able to apply it from there on. So just throwing it out there. Keep looking, keep working. Okay. Thank you guys.